This video demonstrates how to fit the Stormguard Universal UPVC door and window seal. This seal can be used on all UPVC doors and windows. You will need a pair of scissors, a cloth and some soapy water. Step 1. Remove existing seal. The first step is to remove the existing seal from all around the door or window. This should pull straight off. Step 2. Clean. Using a cloth and some soapy water, wipe all the way around the door or window. This not only removes any dirt and grease, but also the washing up liquid will help the seal fit more easily. Step 3. Fit new seal. Before fitting, check that you have the seal the correct way round. One edge of the seal is slightly longer than the other. The longer side should be fitted towards the outside of the door or window. Starting top center of the door or window, begin squeezing the seal into place. Continue fitting the seal along the top and down the side, working your way all the way around the door or window. Once you have fitted the seal all the way round, cut off the remainder so that there is no gap between the start and end of the seal. And you're done. Find out more about the Stormguard product range at stormguard.co.uk.